Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of January, 2024. We have Cathie Wood right here. She thinks that Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin, a very bold prediction for the next bull run. You guys can see this article from CCN. We're going to go into it, and then as I always do, we're going to go ahead and do a price prediction to conclude to see whether or not Ethereum is still on this trek to go higher in price. Now, she declares confidence in crypto with a new ETF launch. Yes, she do have a spot Bitcoin ETF now that she recently launched, along with a plethora of other spot Bitcoin ETFs. She launched 5 separate crypto ETFs, including a spot Bitcoin ETF and a spot Ethereum ETF. Wood's enthusiasm started in the mid 2010s, 2010, when it had a market cap of around $6 billion. The involvement of economist Art Laffer, who praised Bitcoin for its rules-based monetary policy, significantly influenced her perspective. Now she's on the bandwagon. Look at her up there holding that Bitcoin. Yeah, even though it's virtual, but you got to put some type of imagery or vision on a intangible asset that you can't really touch or feel. Ethereum to $166,000, while Bitcoin is going to top 1.3 million. Her focus is particularly interesting when it comes to Ethereum. She acknowledges Ethereum's burgeoning role in the world of decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, recognizing its ability to satisfy the unmet need for yield in the financial markets. This view is underscored by the current state of fixed income markets, where the search for yield has reached unprecedented levels. She emphasizes the importance of following the developers in the cryptocurrency space, and I agree with her on that. Follow where the brains are, because they will be the ones to continue to push the forefront, to go into different areas of territory within coding and programming and protocols to see what this crypto thing can really be all about. By this metric, Ethereum stands out, with its ecosystem supporting a wide range of applications utilizing smart contracts. Vitalik Buterin's blockchain holds DeFi, NFTs, and attracts a large community of developers. When you have all of that under one umbrella, of course, that cryptocurrency will be more valuable than those who don't have DeFi, NFTs, or even a large community. What are they building on top of this technology? That is why she thinks Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin. This aspect of Ethereum, combined with its potential in empowering the creator community, contributes to Wood's optimism about its future. So now, do you think she will eventually become more about Ethereum, a fan for Ethereum, than she is right now with Bitcoin? Do you think she is accumulating more Ethereum as we speak? Because if she really believes that Ethereum has more to offer than Bitcoin, then of course she should be accumulating. More Ethereum. And that could be a whole reason as to why she suspects later on throughout the years that Ethereum will eventually flip Bitcoin, because everyone will be transacting, using, and messing around with Ethereum's blockchain rather than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, like they say, digital gold. You keep the value of what you hold, but the usage is going to fall on Ethereum's blockchain. That is where all of the energy is going to be compounded and all of the value is going to be generated and created. So what do you guys think? Her bullish stance on Ethereum does not overshadow her confidence in Bitcoin. She sees both cryptocurrency as having a bright future, highlighting the importance of investing during times of volatility, which she believes strengthens the credibility and investor confidence in these digital assets. So what do you guys think? Is she right? I think she is. I think Ethereum is going to be a formidable player within the cryptocurrency space. It has already shown itself. Basically, all of the developers within the Ethereum developer community has already created new facets of usage for this cryptocurrency. And this article goes into it right now, stating with NFTs and DeFi, decentralized finance. So what else do you think these developers will create off of the Ethereum blockchain? What about stablecoins? Tether, USDC. Are all of these stablecoins generated off of Ethereum's blockchain? Again, more usage. People are utilizing Ethereum more than they are with Bitcoin. Now, if you just want to hold and maintain value throughout, volatility and uncertainty, then yeah, Bitcoin is your horse. But to drive the future and technology, Ethereum may be that player. What do you guys think? So here's the price so far for Ethereum. You guys can see that we anticipated in our last video for Ethereum that the market was going to go up. And here it is today. It definitely has gone higher in price, well within our price target. The market, even in Ethereum, has confirmed our buy zone right there on December the 18th. And then it confirmed our buy zone a second time on January the 3rd. Okay. So the last time we did our video in Ethereum was on the 14th of January, which was what, 5 days ago? And we were still bullish into the market in Ethereum. So here it is. And you guys can tell right now that the buyers are still confirming this buy zone. So are we still on point to see Ethereum go up? So far, the answer is yes. Zooming out the chart, you guys can see that we are still bullish into the market in Ethereum. The market is still trending higher. Okay, so that's a good thing to take note on the price chart. Let's look at Ethereum real quick on the 2-day time frame. And take a look here though. We need to talk about this because you might want to take some profit off the table right now. And I say that because this 2-day price bar here really tells me that the market is weak in Ethereum. You got the weakness bar there and it combines with the volume. Look at these two volume bars on the 2-day time frame for Ethereum. That definitely resembles weakness there. And then you have this 2-day price bar that just completed and we close up there at the low of the bar. Now the volume didn't show up, but definitely the lack of buying is hinting that Ethereum is a little bit weak right now, just a little bit. So this buy zone that we have up here around $2,500, they definitely need to hold that. And I'm talking about the buyers do. Take a look at Ethereum on the 3-day chart. Again, these 3-day price bars resembles weakness. I don't like that last one. It kind of reflects that price is currently is weak there as well. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Still a little bit more weakness here. And the weekly time frame, 2 weeks, 3. I still suspect though that the price action in Ethereum wants to go higher. It still wants to trend up, but I think in the near term and the short term time frame, i.e. daily, price is still prepared to dip, to go lower. Okay, so here's the overall trend. This is on the 3 months chart. As long as Ethereum's price holds that trend, you already see where we're going. Okay, so let me put this on the daily and let me get rid of this price prediction here in Ethereum, and we're going to play some slight weakness. So getting out the market now in Ethereum, we will be up 8.25%. So take that away, and we're going to create a sell zone right here, and that represents how we can determine if the market in Ethereum is still bullish or bearish. So as long as price in Ethereum trades below this area, price is weak. If it breaks it tomorrow, if it breaks it the day after that, then the market definitely is maintaining this idea that it wants to go up, which is why we can tell that why that would be the case, because those buyers are still hitting the market there. So let me go ahead and do this. So we're going to have our resistance area at this second sell zone up here at the top around $2,700. And our first target for Ethereum is going to be around $2,330, which is 6.35% there. Second target is going to be at 2212, which is 11.25. Third target is going to be at this second buy zone, anywhere within it, the high or the low of the buy zone, which is around like 15%. Okay, so it's not too much, but definitely the usage of Ethereum will definitely make it a formidable player in the long run. And I think Cathie Wood may be onto something when she states that. But go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.